In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Gmail accounts linked to your phone number. We'll use Google's built-in recovery flow to quickly surface any Gmail addresses associated with your number. This is helpful if you've created multiple accounts over the years or you're simply unsure which address is tied to a device. Make sure you have your phone nearby with texting or calls enabled since you'll need it to verify your identity. Start by opening the Gmail sign-in page or Google's account recovery page in your browser. You can do this on a computer or a mobile device. On the sign-in screen, instead of entering an email address, choose the option labeled Forgot Email. This link is designed for exactly this situation. It helps you locate account usernames tied to your recovery info. When prompted, enter the phone number you believe is connected to your Google account. This should be the number you previously added for recovery or security purposes. Double check the country code and the digits before you continue, then select Next. Using the right number is important here because Google searches its records based on what you provide. Next, type in your first and last name as they appear on the account. Use the same spelling and format you used when you created the account. If you registered with a formal name rather than a nickname, enter the formal version. After that, click Next to continue. Google will now verify that you're the owner of the phone number. You'll receive a one-time code by text message or an automated call. Enter that code on the screen as soon as it arrives. If it doesn't come through right away, wait a moment, ensure you have a stable signal, and look for any filters that might hide short code texts. You can request a new code if needed. For your security, only type verification codes on Google's official pages and never share them with anyone. Once your code is confirmed, Google will display the Gmail addresses linked to that phone number. You'll typically see a list of matching accounts, sometimes partially masked for privacy, and you can select the one you want to use. From there, you can proceed to sign in or take note of the addresses for your records. That's the entire process. If you discover accounts you no longer use, consider reviewing your recovery options later in your Google account settings to keep everything up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find the Gmail accounts associated with your phone number.